Hi everyone, my name's Nikos with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're here to showcase the Baily double full arch door. Hope you enjoy. All right, everyone, we're here with the front exterior side of our Baily double full arch door. Just to get this out of the way, this is just a vice clamp holding this on so that it's holding onto our stand so it doesn't fall. Doesn't come with the door. This is one of our newer models that we just came out with maybe a couple of months back. You're going to get a lot of, it's a little bit different, but we've had a very big, a lot of people have liked this door. They like the ornate kick plate with the crosses in it. This is currently in a 72 by 96 spec with a full arch, but we can make this in a flat top, in a regular arch top, in a single door, double door, anything you need. I personally think that it looks really good with this frost glass. It gives it a little bit more of a modern touch, but again, we do carry this in different options and you can customize it with another glass as well if you'd like. We stock it in black, but you can also get this in our other colors, Oyera bronze. We have the pewter, silver pewter with custom orders. That's always possible, and it does come with the operable glass from the interior side, which I'll be showing you in a little bit. This is going to be a 2-inch jamb, which you're going to visibly see 2 inches by 6 inches deep. Our singles are going to come with a 1-inch jamb here visibly 6 inches deep. And as with most of our doors, you're going to get the built-in threshold and frame all in one piece. Makes it a little bit easier to install. And our standard bore holes, which we do carry locks for, or you could purchase elsewhere as well. They're standard specs. You just got to go by the specs that we have on our website. Kind of made these to look a little bit like flowers. Everything here is 12-gauge steel, so you know you're getting something very substantial. Everything is fully insulated with polyurethane foam as well. And yeah, we're gonna flip this guy around so I can show you how the glass operates, show you how the hinges are, and we'll go from there. All right, everyone, we're flipped around to the back interior side of this double full arch Baily door of ours. Again, it is in the black color. You're gonna get your Zerk fittings on top of the main door's hinges. This makes it very easy to grease with a standard grease gun. So you don't have to take the door off of the hinges every time you want to get it greased and lubricated. You are going to have the frost glass on this model, but again, you can customize this to whatever you need to customize it to. If you want a little bit less privacy or a lot more light, you could do the low-E glass, which is you're going to get a little bit of energy efficiency and a lot more light in. But this is good if you want a little bit of privacy, if you don't want people to see in through your front door. These do operate and open up like so, separate from the door itself. You can get a nice breeze in on a summer day. This doesn't come with a screen as a stock item. You can order one of these doors with a screen, but it is a fully customized order, or a special order, I would say. If you could wait the time and need that screen, we could definitely do that for you, as with any of our operable glass doors. You still get the same ornate cross-style design on the kick plates as you did in the exterior side. When it's actually closed with the frost glass, it's kind of cool. You see a little silhouette of the ironwork design that is on the exterior of the door. That's kind of the reason I like the frost glass. You get that silhouette still. And to lock these up, you just turn them clockwise and you're all locked up. As the main active door here, the non-active door does have flush bolts to lock it in place up and down. If you need to open that door to get large furniture or anything in, you could definitely unlock those flush bolts and this will open up. You can also unlock them if you're having a party and want to open up the space a little bit. It's not meant to be an everyday door, but it's definitely useful in a lot of situations if you need the space to get through with larger items. Okay. So our installation tabs, we have 2 on each side, 1, 2, 1, 2. And again, you have one on top as well. This makes installation very easy just to mount into your standard 2x4 wall studs. And you do get a little bit different style hinges on the operable glass than you do on this. Makes it very easy to take this off and grease these if you need to, because this glass is obviously much lighter than the door itself. I think I said this on the front side, but the threshold is built in. It's all one piece. You get the standard bore holes that we have that you could purchase locks for from most places, so it's easily accessible. And I think that's going to be it on this door. Yeah, this is our Baily double full arch door. All right, everyone, that was our showcase of the Baily double full arch door. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@Pinky's Iron Doors, or you can give us a call at 1-844-843-6677. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.